A very pleasant day to you and welcome to Top Stories on Ogama TV. First, we bring you the headlines. APC Enugu State Chapter expels Chief Emeka Silas Gregory Agbara over court actions against the party. Court of Appeal suspends Federal High Court's judgment deregistering ADC and 4 other political parties. INEC backs appeal against the registration order and seeks stay of execution. And on the foreign scene, global oil prices fell to lowest level in nearly 15 weeks amid uncertainty over Strait of Hormuz reopening. And on sports, Portugal coach Roberto Martins to step down after the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Bringing you the news is Chidiogo Asuke. Now the news in details. The Enugu State Chapter of the All Progressive Congress (APC) has announced the automatic expulsion of Chief Emeka Silas Gregory Agbara from the party for instituting legal actions against the party and its officers without first exhausting the internal dispute resolution mechanisms provided in the party's constitution. In a statement signed by the State Publicity Secretary, Chief Honorable Uche Obute, on behalf of the state leadership led by Dr. Sir Martins Chukwuemeke, the party said Chief Agbara violated Article 21, Subsection 5 of the APC Constitution by filing a suit before the Federal High Court in Abuja on May the 23rd, 2026. The party explained that the constitutional provision stipulates automatic expulsion for any member who takes the party or its officials to court on matters relating to party affairs without first utilizing internal remedies. According to the APC, Chief Agbara ceased to be a member of the party from the date the suit was filed and is no longer entitled to any rights, privileges, or recognitions associated with party membership. The party reaffirmed its commitment to discipline and constitutional supremacy and urged members to exhaust internal channels before seeking judicial intervention. In another development, the Court of Appeal in Abuja has ordered a stay of execution of the Federal High Court judgment that deregistered the African Democratic Congress (ADC) and 4 other political parties. In a unanimous decision delivered by a 3-member panel led by Justice Abubakar Mohammed, the appellate court faulted Justice Peter Lifu of the Federal High Court for delivering judgment despite an earlier order directing him to suspend proceedings. The appeal court described the action as violation of the hierarchy of courts and granted the application seeking to halt enforcement of the judgment pending the determination of the substantive appeal. The court subsequently fixed June the 25th for the hearing of the appeal. The affected political parties include the ADC, Action People's Party, Action Alliance, Accord Party, and Zenith Labour Party. Moving on, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has thrown its support behind the appeal challenging the Federal High Court's judgment that ordered the deregistration of 5 political parties. Appearing before the Court of Appeal in Abuja, counsel to INEC, Mr. Haliru Mohammed, said the Commission was not notified of the delivery of the judgment and only became aware of it through media reports. INEC noted that it was aware of an earlier Court of Appeal order stopping the delivery of the judgment and therefore did not oppose the application seeking a stay of execution. The electoral body also backed the notice of appeal filed by the affected political parties. We now go on a short break. When we return, we bring you foreign news and sports. Stay with us. Welcome back. In case you're just joining us, you're listening to Top Stories on Ogama TV. Now to the rest of the news. Global oil prices have fallen to their lowest level in nearly 15 weeks, despite continued uncertainty over the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. Brent crude dropped by almost 2.5% to just about $81 per barrel, after recording a 4.75% decline the previous day. According to reports, traders are optimistic that the eventual reopening of the strategic waterways will boost oil supply from the Middle East following indications of a possible agreement between the United States and Iran. However, experts warn that full normalization of the shipping activities could take several weeks due to security concerns and operational challenges affecting tanker movements in the region. And on sports, Portugal national team head coach Roberto Martins is set to leave his position after the 2026 FIFA World Cup. According to reports, Martins has decided not to renew his contract beyond the tournament regardless of Portugal's performance. The former Everton manager is said to be considering a return to club management in the English Premier League, although he remains open to other international coaching opportunities. Portugal will begin the World Cup campaign against the Democratic Republic of Congo on Wednesday. We now bring you the highlights of the stories on the bulletin so far. APC Enugu State Chapter expels Chief Emeka Silas Gregory Agbara over court actions against the party. Court of Appeal suspends Federal High Court judgment deregistering ADC and 4 other political parties. INEC backs appeal against the registration order and seeks stay of execution. And on the foreign scene, we brought to you that global oil prices fell to lowest level in nearly 15 weeks amid uncertainty over Strait of Hormuz reopening. On sports, Portugal coach Roberto Martins to step down after the 2026 FIFA World Cup. That's all on the news at this hour. For more updates and breaking news, don't forget to follow us on our socials, on Facebook at Ogama TV, on Instagram at Ogama TV1, on X at Ogama TV, on YouTube at Ogama TV, and also visit our website at www.ogamatv.com. I am Chidiogo Asuke. Many thanks for watching. Bye for now.
When you think of online TV and radio, broadcasting, media consultancy, event coverage, event management and planning, there's no better name than Ogama TV. But that's not all. We're also into photo studio and coverage, equipment rental, news blogging, fashion and pageantry. We are at number 5/21 Chime Avenue, beside Open Sheraton Restaurant, New Haven, Enugu. Follow us on our social media handles: Facebook at Ogama TV, Instagram at Ogama TV1, Twitter at Ogama TV, website www.ogamatv.com. You can also send us email at ogamatv@gmail.com. Ogama TV, your one-stop media solution.